Gang, what's up, my lovely people? It's your mentor Majid here. Sorry, I've been silent for days. It is because I've been coming up with the biggest thing yenye ishaionekana kwa virtual. So, I had this idea like 2 years ago, but it was so difficult to achieve it with the platform we were using back then. But since now we are using one of the biggest platform in the whole world called Pinup, it was made a success. Yani, like I have sat down after 63 trials, trying, failing. I eventually, caught a gold mine. That's what I can call it at the moment, because the coding was not easy. Can you imagine coding something 63 times, failing, trying, and failing each and every time, but you're not giving up? The version you provide, it gives you unpredictable data. You go back and then you code again. You go back and code again. So after 63 times, I'm happy to announce you that there is a betting predictor in the market now, made by yours truly, Majid. So, betting predictor sio predictor tu, yani it is an AI that allows you, that gives you information when to bet, where to bet, and how is the market. Is the market risky? Is the market safe? Gone are the days zenye tulikuwa tunashindanga kwa market tukiangalia tricks and hacks za kunini market. Niliwaambia this time around we are doing it bigger and better. Na sahi account yangu inachezea $140. I told you me I have a dollar account. If you have a shillings account itakuonyesha KSH hapo. But if you have a dollar account, for those people who are in my group understand, because some of them have a dollar account. So if you have a dollar account, it looks like this. So we're gonna make this happen. Like it is my target will be $1,000. $1,000, and in a few days I will post the progress. My time, my energy, nini imekuwa kwa developing that predictor, and now I'm proud to say that there is something in the market that simplifies the work for us. There is something in the market that beats the system now. There is something in the market that guarantees you wins. And si ati inajichocha ama nini. This AI is 99% sure. I have tested it over and over again. We have gone months and months without sleep just formulating this. And I'm a proud person. I'm a proud mentor. And for the people in my group, there is a version I gave them. Sijui ilikuwa bot number ngapi. I guess it was bot number around 40. Niliwapatianga for free. So wamekuwa wakijienjoy nayo. Na those are the advantages of joining the group. I told you the group is free. All you have to do is register under the link that you find in the description of my YouTube video, and then deposit a sum of 500 shillings in your account, which you're gonna use to bet. So this actually shows that you're willing to bet. ama you're willing, you're not just there to be a joker, you're there to look for money. Okay, so the bot at the moment, guys, ama the predictor at the moment goes for 10,000 shillings. If you want the predictor, it goes for 10,000 shillings. You can contact me via my WhatsApp. So let me just show you an example of how the predictor works. Okay, so this is a guaranteed, tuseme nini, like ukiekelea pesa yako hapa hakuna kupoteza if you just follow what the predictor says. Saa hiyo 10k with a good stake hata unairudisha in a day ama in 2 days with a good stake. Saa so we said our virtual, you come here and then you go to pin up football league, and then you come here. So let's run a prediction.
I just like having Latika around. I mean, she's cool, she's funny, and
so this is how the predictor looks. This is how the predictor looks, and then you scan the database. So you can see it gives you a calculation. It shows you the percentage of the games. So we are not just betting for the sake of betting this time around. We want sure wins. Okay, so in the data we have run, so let me explain how the bot works. So as you can see, there is a red bar and there is a yellow bar and then kuna a green bar. Green haiko kwa prediction at the moment. Green inakushow the most surest bet to go for. And then the yellow inakuonyesha it is a medium risk. And then the red inakuonyesha that's a risky market to bet on. Unaona? So as hapa iko, we can decide to go with home win because it is a 60%, but that's a medium risk market. So your market bot inakwambia it is not 100% guaranteed, but it is, mimi naweza kuadvise, if lazima ubet naweza kuadvise you go for home win, okay, and over 2.5. so let's see. Ndio hii yenye iko about to play. So unaona, ndio hiyo inacheza. Unaona, the bot ilikuambia if lazima ubet unaweza bet on home to win. Unaona, na ndio hiyo boom, ndio hiyo home, it is a sure win na ni over 2.5. so imagine kama bot iko ama the AI iko 60% ndio inaku advise ubet home. So what about saa zenye ina hit that green bar? Manze, hii ni moto, hii haijawahi onekana mahali popote. Na nikiwaambia it has taken me many sleepless nights, I'm in here. So we gonna run another one. Bado pia hapa haija show the green bar. Bado hapa haija show the green bar. But pia inakuonyesha kama lazima ubet. Kama lazima ubet. Remember, you are not supposed to bet on this yellow and the red, yani like inakuonyesha there is not that 100% sure, yani tuseme nini, haiko that 100% sure, sawa, but inakushow if lazima ubet, bet on home team to win na over 2.5, sawa. Wacha tuone. Sorry about that, sijui mbona imerudi nyuma. But the game yenye tulikuwa tunafaa to bet on inaendelea at the moment. Wacha iload mbio tuende.
If you don't mind me asking, right? Why do you do what you do? My condition makes me switch friends, but I will not say something that day.
Kama imeisha tutaangalia the previous data tuone imetoka aje.
Okay, I think I need to go rest my head for some time. I'm feeling a bit tired.
And remember the bot ama the AI imekuambia I'm not 100% sure, so but I can provide you with a medium risk choice, so it has given us a yellow bar on over 2.5 and home team to win. So unaona the reason why you are not supposed to follow hizo bet, kwa sababu utakuwa na ile pattern ya una win una lose, sawa. But at the end of the day hakuna loss yenye unaenda juu hii na cancel na hii. But ukitaka kitu serious, ukitaka kubet serious, bet kitu yenye iko sure, sawa. 10-7 10-10. Wacha tuone hii. So imetafuta direct hit. So kuna correct score ya hiyo match, yani kuna match according to my data, kuna match yenye ishaitoka hivyo. So it advises you to bet on both the team to score na under 2.5, but unaona niliwambia red inamaanisha the most risky, yellow ni medium bet, and then green ni the safest. So wacha uone the behavior. Nimewambia na washow how to bet, nimewambia na washow, nimewaletea something in the market haijawahi onekana before, something that simplifies your work. Unaona? So unaona venye imetoka ndio hiyo iko 3-2. Ile bot ilikuwa imekuwa advice aje, bet on over na both the team to score. Unaona? So kwa hii market ya yellow bar, imagine hauwezi kosa 7 games correct out of 10 hata uamue kufuata hii yellow bar. Hauwezi kosa 7 out of 10. Lakini kwa the green, ukifuata green, hiyo ni hashu out of hashu. 10 out of 10. So 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. Inakuambia aje, ndio hii green bar. Ndio hiyo green bar imetokelezea. Inakuambia bet on under 2.5. Under 2.5, that's the most safest with 73%. Under 2.5. Let's wait and see.
The last time was just a touchman, but this time it's not. Still. So, congratulations to you.
Congratulations to you too. Now that I think about it, I think the show in your house, she's really doing a good job.
Her name is Batife. And please, Mark,
Let's wait and see.
appreciate it if you just address her by her name. I beg, make her you look like
By her name. I knew it. My name is enough.
I just love having her around. So that deep.
So that deep. Well, that makes you sleep well at night. Very well, yes.
Please, can we just get back to talking? Loretta.
Is that all you care about? Aren't you happy to see me? I know you miss me.
I didn't miss you.
You have always been a horrible liar. I know you miss me. Anyway,
Let's wait and see.
We. Who is we?
Sijui mbona ina load hivyo sana.
Come on now. No.
Alibaba.com B2B Trade App. Get it today.
By now it should give us results
to launch your business, get
anytime from now,
made for entrepreneurs. Shopify.
any minute from now. Na ndio hiyo boom. Ndio hiyo 01. Naona imetoka under 2.5 na hiyo si ndio ilikuwa the surest bet. So guys, Unibot, yani hii haijawahi onekana kwa market na haitawahi onekana. Sijui because sidhani kama kuna msee mwenye ashai formulate tricks zenye nishai formulate ama ako na mind kama yangu. Sidhani kama itawahi fika to a point whereby this bot ama this AI is replicated by someone. Sawa, and now this AI iko hivi, it has so many securities. Ikifika mahali penye mimi mwenyewe na generate something yenye iko smartest to your design, obviously lazima nitailock kiplani. So if I send you the bot, unluckily you can't send to someone. If you want to send to someone na iwork, lazima uniambie so I can authorize it to that another device that unataka kuitumia in. Sawa, so najua yes kuna wale wenye watakam wanunue wauze, well and good, but mimi kwa mwenye anauza siko ubaya, nitakumpatia limit ya only to sell to 5 people. If you're gonna do that, to sell only to 5 people, and then I decline the authorization from the 6th person. And if you do, ukipitisha to the 6th person, then eventually the version you have itakosa kukua updated, because this is an AI. I keep feeding it information so that it can learn. Okay, so you will fail to get that update. So once you buy the bot, unaingia kwa group ya elite. This is where we exchange money making ideas. This is where we, yani like tunabet na pesa mzito. This is where you see people growing small accounts into big accounts. This is where we motivate one another. We have a monthly challenge. Leo tuna deposit $100. By the end of the month tunataka ikuwe $5,000. That's the case. Na unaona hatubet bora to bet. Tunabet when the market is the most safest. Na sio hivyo peke yake. Even if you decide to bet under the yellow bar, nimekuambia bado usitense, usiworry. Uko na 7 out of 10 chances of winning. So kama patience hauna, well and good, but usiende for the red bar. Sawa, na sijui after explaining those rules unaendea aje the red bar. Sawa, this is one of the biggest thing yenye ishaionekana, na I'm so proud of myself that naeza fika hapa, and this is a big milestone to achieve. Na yes guys, this time round we are doing it bigger and better, na sio kukaa kwa market ati tunaangalia tricks, ati tunashinda tumeangalia tricks. Hapana, tuko kwa era ya technology. Things are being made easier each and every day. So guys, usingoje ati mwenzako apate the bot. Hurry up, grab it now. It is one of the hardest thing nishaifanya, na ni one of the thing nishaifanya na passion, na ni one of the things yenye imeni bring so much joy, na providing a solution to people inani make me proud zaidi. Na nimeonyesha the bot, it is 100% sure, guaranteed. Na ukidecide kuchukua bot, we just tafuta a good stake. Ukitafuta a good stake, then definitely you'll be making good money each and every day. So guys, Kismart manze majama, nawapenda tana sana. Tell your people your mentor is back. Now doing it bigger and better. Sawa majama, Kismart.
The short version of the story